Hello guys, welcome to DMMCQ. Today we have come with a new video series belong to Indian geography, which is most important for every competitive examination. So before starting, I request you, if you have not still subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon button for the provide notification of our video. Now come to the question here. Question number 1. Dalda brand vegetable product is manufactured in. Answer is Mumbai. Next question. Question number 2. Diamond Harbour and Salt Lake City are situated in. Answer is Kolkata. Next. Question number 3. The state where monazite sands are found in. Answer is Kerala. Next. Question number 4. Aluminium is abundantly found in. Answer is Odisha. Next question. Question number 5. Diamonds are found at. Answer is Patna. Next, question number 6. Mica is available abundantly in. Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next, question number 7. Lignite is dug out in. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Question number 8. Silver is found in. Correct option is Rajasthan. Next, question number 9. The concentration of jute industry is in. Answer is West Bengal. Next, question number 10. Which state is recorded the lowest per capita income? Correct option is Bihar. Next, question number 1. State where there is large percentage of literacy is. Answer is Kerala. Next, question number 12. Farmland tends to erode most rapidly when planted with. Correct option is Sekaram. Next, question number 13. Which one of the following types of erosion is responsible for the formation of sambal ravines? Correct option is gully. Next, question number 14. Which one of the following crops enriches the nitrogen content in soil? Correct option is peas. Question number 15. The hallmark of watershed development in the semi-arid regions of India is the. Correct option is undertaking of earthworks, soil conservation measures, and tree plantation so as to conserve soil moisture and research under groundwater. Next question. Question number 16. Which of the following is the world famous mineral region of India? Correct option is Chotanagpur Plateau. Next, question number 17. Non-renewable resource of energy is. Correct option is both of these, coal and petroleum. Next, question number 18. The density of cattle population per 100 hectares of gross crops area is the highest in. Answer is Haryana. Question number 19. Which one of the following soil types of India is rendered infertile by the presence of excess iron? Correct option is lethargic. Question number 20. The length of its day and the tail of its axis are almost identical to those of the Earth. This is true of. Answer is Mars. Question number 21. Imphal is the capital of. Correct option is Manipur. Yes, Imphal is the capital city of the Indian state of Manipur. Next, question number 22. The Indian subcontinent was originally part of a huge land mass called. Correct option is Gondwana continent. Next, question number 23. Which one of the following does not belong to biosphere reserve set up so far? Correct option is Gulf of Kutch. Question number 24. Arakan Yoma is the extension of the Himalayas located in. Correct option is Myanmar. Question number 25. Cities with more than 10 million population in India are. Correct option is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata. These three cities with population of 10 millions and above are known as mega cities. That's all for today. And if you like this video, please click on like button, and if you are not still subscribed our channel, please subscribe it, and please share our video to your friends and relatives and other social media. Thank you for watching.